Baking with Chef Ella.
Hi, and welcome back to Baking with Chef Ella. Today, we're making...
cannolis!
No, not cannolis today. We're making crepes.
Okay.
We'll be using flour, eggs, butter, vanilla, salt, milk, and sugar. We start with 1.5 cups of flour. The next step is to put in 1 tablespoon of sugar. After that, we need 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, two cups of milk, and 4 eggs. And we mix it all up until it's smooth. Okay, there we go.
Wow, you do that so fast!
Now it's time to cook our crepes. We need to spray the pan so they don't stick. Okay, our crepe looks like it's done cooking on that side, so we're ready to flip it. Our crepe is nice and cooked, so we're going to transfer it to this plate. Now, I'm going to show you how I assemble crepes. So you're going to cut a hole from the middle, just to one edge. So let's put some chocolate spread in one corner. Bananas in another corner, and strawberries in one more corner. This is where it gets a little tricky. We're going to have to carefully fold the crepes to the size of the cut we made earlier. And there you go, a crepe. Thanks for joining me today on this episode of Baking with Chef Ella.
That looks so good. Can we eat it now?
No, Luigi, we'll eat it later. Bye.
Bye.